Yeah, looks like there's a good... Yeah, that's a lot of bikes. Oh, on the stagger, what a backpack! Oh, what a backpack is crazy! They got the police helicopter over on us, it's crazy! This man is wild, look at this man! What's up guys, it's Stickers and we are back with another video. Today we are on some more San Diego shenanigans. Right now we are on our way to meet up with one of our buddies who is now a part of the Insta360 family. We hooked him up with an Ace Pro. Right now we are on our way, if you can see the directions below me, to meet up with him. We're meeting up with him before we go to, I don't know, there's some big ride event that everybody's been posting since I came down here. Not exactly sure everything about it, but I know they're doing like raffles, prizes, some other things. There's a little bit of a ride before. Like I said, I'm not sure exactly what it is. Slow down. We don't got warm tires. I literally left my area, hit the freeway, and had that turn. Let's slow down a little bit. I'll say we have learned from experience with cold tires. But yeah, no. So we're gonna meet up with him. And then go from there. We're only going to be like a block away from the main event, or from the main pre-meet to ride to the main event. There you go. English. We're struggling today. My brain is roasted, so if I mess up a lot, it is finals week for me. I just finished my first, I think it was 13-page paper. So I got one of them done. Got some editing and stuff to do to a second one. And then we are done with all of our finals for this quarter, and then I got 8 more weeks and we will have a master's degree, which is going to be fun. Done with school. But yeah, no, so right now we're going to be meeting up with him somewhere right here, gas station, because you know, thirsty girl, always needed some fuel. So we're going to go there, meet up with them. I thought is that a cop behind me? I don't know, he has lights on. Don't think it's a cop, don't look like a cop. But yeah, no, so we're going to meet up with him, go to the pre-meet, so I'll catch you guys once we meet up with him and go from there. Alright guys, we are gearing up. Got to dip out, and the Ventador did pull up, which was cool. I don't know where it was. I don't even know if it was pulling up to here. He might be pulling up to Dave and Buster's, going to have some fun. These leathers, once you get a little sweaty, suck. That's the worst part about leathers. As soon as you get a little sweaty, they're terrible. I just want to be in the front. Yeah, let's get to the front of this. There's way too many. Oh, look at that idiot. Alright, our boy's with us. Yeah, looks like there's a good... Yeah, that's a lot of bikes. Probably gonna zip this up, you know, because we can probably be... Actually, I don't know. It might not be too crazy. It might be a little crazy. We will see. Not sure. We'll find out. Oh, okay. Bro got a river right here. Oh no, he was just struggling to find neutral. Yeah, there's a ton of bikes. Alright, let's get away from this guy. As you can see, which everybody has their fails, but come on now. I'm guessing he probably didn't have insurance. What's happening? Yeah, there's a ton of bikes. We got all the wheelie guys up here. Oh, okay, bro, up there. Going a little fast for you, buddy, under 600. That's a little fast for a wheelie. We're going 100. Bro, chilling up there. Oh, on the stagger, what a backpack! Oh, what a backpack is crazy! Hey, let's go! Yeah, no. These big rides are definitely way too sketchy and I hate to do them, but it brings out all the wheelie guys. Especially when you gotta... Oh, he just... Bro, nice with it. There we go. Now we got our music going. Oh, a firelight out there too. Everything for the wheelies. One day. Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, you're big out there. Yeah, that fireplace. Slow it down. You're on the limiter. glad I brought the leather because it's already getting cool. It's getting a little nippy out here. That S1K, guys, is a clean green. And he's rocking the KYT KX1 Race GP. No carbon, got the black one, the same one we did do a giveaway to our boy Puito. That's a clean green though. I feel like that H2 or that Fireblade is powering that shit up. A little bit, you know. I can't call it an H2 daddy, but I could definitely be daddy to everything else out here. They got the police helicopter out here on us. It's crazy. That's crazy, bro. They legit got the helicopter and the Southwest plate on us. Can't believe, which I guess we probably got 75, maybe 100 bikes out here. So I can see why they call the cops. And there was definitely guys doing wheelies. There was no racing, but there's definitely enough laws being broke. But we are legal and not doing any legal activities. Let's blow out the dash. I'm kidding. We ain't got to do all that, bro. That would be a lot of work. But yeah, the 5-0 are out, and they are not happy. You know, there's no cops anywhere around here yet. It's still circling. This cop is not happy, guys. Am I burning something? Smells like hot oil. Alright guys, we are out of here, about to take off. This is going to be a little wild. I thought there was a lot of bikes on that first ride. There's probably twice as many now, because there was multiple groups that showed up, so it's going to be a little scary. The Hellcat in the two-step. But yeah, no, so we're definitely going to keep it towards the front, try to keep it real safe. Make sure our boy stays with us. Oh my god. Alright guys, so we are taking off from here. The group probably doubled or tripled. There's a lot now. We're going to probably try to stay close to the front just because there's so many people here and how sketchy it can get. So we're going to get up here. Our boy's staying back there with the R7. He wants to see some dope wheelies. Come up here with these boys. You really got a towel? Chat. Boys, I'm exposing you. Oh my god, so he did crash recently doing a wheelie and his crankcase is leaking slightly. So bro put a towel in his fairly just so when it leaks it don't leak all over the floor, which is hilarious but smart. Safe. As long as the towel don't catch on fire. Rest it right up against your motor. But we are out of here, about to hit the Belmont. This might be a good thumbnail actually. Need my thumbnail! But yeah, no, I don't know. There was over 100 bikes. We definitely will get the heli on us again. The two Aprilias, which were clean that we saw earlier, some R6s, a little bit of everything. They got just a chopped can R1. Looks like a newer R6. Yeah, it is a new gen R6. Then we got an older V4. That's the same body style as ours. No, wait, is that a V4 or is it a V2? No, it's a V4. That's a V4. Clean though. We got the Demon leading. Oh, the Demon being a cool guy stopping traffic. Got us another little pink bike. Well, I don't even know what it is. Ninja 400. Looks like. Well, let's crack the visor. Might have to stop talking because I want some airflow. We ain't moving fast enough yet. Got our boy with his EX10 with beautiful forged carbon. I always thought about it. If I build another bike and they make enough of it because it's a commonly produced bike, I'm doing forged carbon on it. I think forged carbon looks so dope. Well, poor old man, he covered his ears because all these idiots probably going to rev. Oh man, the car does a low battery. We might not have music the whole way. Rip. Whoa, don't drive your bike! Oh, the camera car. Smells like nothing but oil and cheap gas. He'll be filling up out of U2 87. That is a dank. It's definitely a little wild. We'll say that for sure. Bro's missing off his bike. Yeah, this is wild. we'll definitely get the cops called on us again. Those idiots are close to already hitting each other. So I was getting away from that. They already almost hit each other right there. Two dudes doing a wheelie. They already almost hit each other right here. I'm like, oh. And then they're arguing with each other. Like, bro. Well, we're down here by Dainese OC. Okay. Or not Dainese, not OCSD. I know where we're kind of at now. The Gixxer's missing a couple fairings. It's not recording. Okay, alright. Oh, that's an Aprilia. That's the same year too. Or same-ish year. Well, that guy's up there. I don't know who that is. I think that's an R7. That R7 one was smooth. He was high up there. He was 11 o'clock. Damn, the Busa, the big body Busa is on sword. That's crazy. That's a lot of weight to have up in the air. This is how we get the cops on us, buddies. Clutches going on, or he missed, I don't know, revving. I don't even know what they call it, but he just wham, it doesn't do anything. So I feel like it, in my experience, if everybody does that, your clutches are slipping. Oh, there's a wood pole, guys. Gotta make sure nobody hits it today. Man is wild. Look at this man. Okay, hey, getting up a big boss Busa like that is crazy. Oh, but he got a little wobbly on this little CF motor. Sitting on the tank out here. And crackling. That tune is, unless he has a cam, then that makes sense for the crackle, but other than that, there's no reason that should be crackling like that. That was a long ride. I think we did a big old circle. Yeah, this is not going to have room for this many bikes. Bro does not care about his motor. He said it's a Kawasaki. Let me just blow it up. Are you that slow you couldn't keep up? Yeah, it's okay.
I was in the back.
It's a Kawasaki. I understand.
I was in the back by them. I'm parking right here too.
Full on stunt bike. I was looking for you when we were out riding. When they slowed down and it was so open in front of us, I was hoping I could find you, come up, and I was like, we got a clear shot. Yeah. I was in the front, like, come on, come here, because I got the camera car right up front. Like, we're just gonna zoom past.
Yeah, dude. Oh.
Yeah. It's all good. It's all good. Whoa, look at this thing. Woo. Pro Charge C6. Ooh. Big old chassis mounted wing. Always on a 15 conversion, so he's making real power. There ain't no way he's not. I got my money on the Corvette, the Demon. I don't care if it's a 170 or not. I got my money on that. This
dude, this demon thinks he's faster. He thinks he's faster, but I feel like I don't know. I gotta find out which blower is on it. What cubic inch? Like, is it a 427? Is it
416?
Oh, it's a 416. Okay. Yeah, a 4 triple pump. He's full raced out. Got the wing, bead locks. He definitely does not. He just paid to get a crazy car because he didn't even know what cubic inch when I asked him that. Maybe language barrier, but yeah, he definitely didn't know what I was saying. So many bikes. This is ridiculous. This is that booster that was just chilling up there, which was crazy. It was up in the air forever. I think that's that S1K that was popping like crazy. Oh, we got the H2 back here. It's a clean built H2. I wonder if I don't know. Those both look like stainless steel, not titanium. Fire blade. No, nothing else back here. Oh, it's painted too. Not bad. Way to do it.
If you post it, tag me in it, stickers with a Z. That was cool though, running into that young kid. He was like, I'm glad I heard him and didn't have my music fully up. Because I heard it, I was like, gotcha, my boy. And for some reason right now, let's make sure we were rolling. Yeah. For some reason today, the bike decided to spit some fat ones, which was dope. She was in a good mood. She was like, yeah, pop, pop, pop. The first couple were big, and then they kind of died down. But yeah, no, that was dope. That was cool. Hopefully, when we post it, it tags me, because I want to see it from his angle. Like I said, those things weren't small.